all emails within PaTMa can be controlled and disabled if you wish. There's a link at the bottom of every email we send, which will take you through to sort of either unsubscribe or just more generally manage your email subscriptions. And that will take you directly to this page, where you can control informational emails and transactional emails. And for these checkboxes, if you update those, you can just click on Update to save those changes. Some more detailed alert management email settings are available within Property Manager. You can access that here. You do need to log in. Similarly, if we scroll down, you can see some emails that might be generated by DealFinder. And again, you would need to log in to be able to access these. If you don't want to click on a link from your email, you can log into PaTMa normally and drop down this avatar menu in the top right hand corner, choose Profile, and then access Email Control on the left to get back to this page. So once you are on this page, if you do want to change any of these DealFinder emails, you can click on any of these edit links just to go through to the right section within DealFinder. But then on the left hand side, under Monitors, you can access the appropriate section for the type of monitor that you need to change. So in the case of properties, you can click on that and you'll see a list of all of your property monitors. And you can then click on the little rubbish bin icon to delete any of the ones you no longer wish to receive. Delete that, and then you will no longer receive emails for that monitor because that's no longer there. And the same applies for the other types of monitors within price paid, planning, and marketing stats as well.